We are so excited that you've joined us for our video abstract, What Counts in Number Books, a content domain specific topology to evaluate children's books for mathematics, that is published in Mathematical Thinking and Learning. The problem is, how is mathematics in children's books portrayed? Studies have traditionally focused on a couple books or how to implement without digging into how the mathematics is actually portrayed, and that's what this study does. So we analyzed 186 books, and a key finding was that counting books are not just a synonym for number books. Counting books, as we define them, are when the entire book shows a sequence of numbers, or there's at least two sequences of numbers. And key finding two was that counting books are more nuanced than we expected. We found 3 dimensions that formed 72 unique types: the counting sequence dimension, rationality, and explicitness of counting. So the key finding 3 is our topology. The main dimension of this topology are the counting sequences. So we provide them here, but please read the article to find out the details of these. So this topology has the counting sequences on one dimension. What type of counting sequence does the book show? So not which scalars, not does a skip count by 5 or 10. We are thinking in more rich ways about skip counting and other ways of portraying sequences. The rationality dimension isn't like a rational number in terms of fractions. We use the idea of rote and rational counting as to whether how the pictures help convey this sequence. So the rationality dimension talks about how explicitly do the pictures help the children understand a sequence, and the explicitness dimension is about how explicitly do the words tell the children that they're counting, especially if they're skip counting. So where do we go from here? We hope that researchers will use this in future research to guide their selection of books, to possibly reanalyze data they already have. That's one of the benefits of having a topology by methodologists who talk about topology. And we really need more content analyses for every domain of mathematics about how math is treated in children's books. In terms of teaching, we hope that teachers will avoid the inaccurate MNS type and increase the variety of books they use once they know these types. And we really hope that authors and publishers will avoid the inaccurate type and be inspired to create richer books using these particular types shown here.